Hey everyone, Rahul Agarwal here. If you are sourcing forged products, you must ensure your supplier meets global quality and safety standards. A certified supplier guarantees better quality, consistency, and compliance with industry regulations. In this video, I will share 5 essential certifications that a reliable forging supplier must have. So let's take a look. Number 1, ISO 9001 Quality Management System. ISO 9001 is the global quality standard for quality management. It ensures that the supplier follows standardized production process, strict quality control, continuous improvement. A forging supplier with ISO 9001 certification means they are committed to delivering consistent and high quality products. IATF 16949 Automotive Quality Standard. For automotive parts, this is a must. IATF 16949 is a specific quality standard for automotive manufacturers, ensuring defect-free production, strong traceability systems, zero waste and lean manufacturing. If you are in the automotive sector, only trust a supplier with IATF 16949 certification. Number 3, AS 9100 Aerospace Industry Standard. Supplying aerospace grade components. AS 9100 is a non-negotiable certification. It ensures precision in aerospace forging, rigorous safety standards, 100% compliance with aviation regulations. Without AS 9100, the supplier cannot provide aerospace approved forged products. Number 4, PED and AD 2000 Pressure Equipment Certification. If your forged components are used in pressure vessels, boilers, or piping systems, look for PED Pressure Equipment Directive Europe, AD 2000 German Pressure Equipment Standard. These certifications ensures that high pressure applications meet strict safety and durability standards. Number 5, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Sustainability matters. ISO 14001 ensures the suppliers reduces environmental impact, manages waste efficiently, follows eco-friendly forging processes. A responsible supplier prioritizes quality and sustainability. Now, a reliable forging supplier should have the right certifications to ensure quality, safety and compliance. ISO 9001 General Quality Standard, IATF 16949 Automotive Forging, AS 9100 Aerospace Forging, PED and AD 2000 Pressure Equipment, ISO 14001 Environmental Responsibility. Which certification do you think is the most important for you? Drop a comment below. Looking for a certified forging supplier? And you can see it in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more experts insight. So thank you and see you in the next video.